Gentlemen, a watch is one of the few things a man wears that speaks before he does. It signals confidence, precision, control, or it quietly does the opposite. Because after 50, the wrong watch doesn't just look outdated, it makes your entire style feel stuck in the past. Too big, too flashy, too worn out, small details, big impact, and most men never notice it. But once you fix it, everything sharpens. Let's fix that. Mistake number one, wearing oversized watches. Huge dials, thick cases, heavy presence on your wrist. At first, it feels bold, powerful, noticeable, but in reality, it does the opposite. An oversized watch dominates your wrist. It throws off your proportions, and instead of looking refined, it looks like you're trying too hard. After 50, style isn't about being louder. It's about being more controlled. And oversized pieces break that control instantly. They distract, they overpower your outfit, and they pull attention away from you. The fix is balance. Go for moderate sizes, typically around 38 to 42 millimeters, depending on your wrist. Your watch should sit cleanly, not hanging over the edges, not dominating your arm, not disappearing either, just balanced. When the size is right, something shifts. It doesn't shout, it supports. And that's the difference. You're not wearing the watch is working for you. Mistake number two, cheap, flashy designs, overly shiny metals, fake gold tones, busy dials trying to do too much. They grab attention, but not the kind you want. Instead of looking refined, it starts to feel loud, slightly forced, even a bit outdated. After 50, style isn't about standing out with flash. It's about standing out with control. Flashy watches don't elevate your look. They distract from it. The fix is simplicity with quality. Choose clean, minimal designs, simple dial, balanced colors, subtle details. Nothing excessive, nothing trying too hard. Because when your watch is understated, it doesn't compete with your style. It completes it. Mistake number three, worn out straps. Cracked leather, faded color, dirty or fraying fabric straps. It might seem like a small detail, but it changes everything. Your watch could be solid, but if the strap looks worn out, the entire piece feels neglected. And after 50, details speak louder than anything else. A tired strap sends the wrong message. Lack of care, lack of attention, lack of control. The fix is simple. Refresh regularly. Replace straps when they start to show wear. Clean leather, crisp stitching, proper color. Even an older watch can feel brand new with the right strap. Because sometimes it's not the watch that needs upgrading. It's the detail holding it together. Mistake number four, wearing sport watches everywhere. Digital watches, fitness trackers, rubber straps, all day, every day. They're functional, practical, easy, but style-wise, they flatten your entire look. Wearing a sport watch with everything, casual, dinner, even smarter outfits, creates a disconnect. It makes your style feel one-dimensional, like no thought went into it. After 50, versatility matters, but so does context. The fix is matching the watch to the moment. Casual to clean leather or simple steel smart. Casual to classic analog, active to sport watch. Each watch has a role. When you rotate properly, your style feels intentional and instantly more refined. Mistake number five, choosing the wrong size for your wrist. Too big, and it looks bulky, overwhelming your wrist. Too small, and it feels outdated, almost insignificant. Either way, your proportions are off. And when proportions are off, your entire look feels slightly unbalanced. Even if everything else is right. After 50, precision matters more than ever because small imbalances become more noticeable. The fix is proportion. Your watch should sit comfortably within your wrist. No overhang, no tight squeezing, no disappearing into your arm, just a clean, balanced presence. When the size is right, your watch stops distracting and starts refining your entire look. Mistake number six, ignoring watch condition. Scratched glass, faded dial, loose links or worn finishes. Individually, they seem small. Together, they send one clear message, neglect. And after 50, details like this matter more than ever. You can be well-dressed, but if your watch looks tired, it quietly pulls everything down. It doesn't look relaxed. It looks careless. The fix is simple. Maintain it. Keep your watch clean. Polish it when needed. Tighten loose parts. Treat it like a part of your outfit, not an afterthought, because when your watch is sharp, your entire look feels sharper with it. Mistake number seven, overly complicated dials. Too many subdials. Too many numbers. Too much going on at once. At first, it might feel detailed, impressive, technical, but visually, it creates clutter. Instead of looking refined, your watch starts to feel busy, even outdated. And after 50, clarity matters more than complexity because strong style isn't about showing more, it's about showing control. The fix is simplicity. Choose clean, readable dials, minimal markers, balanced layout, no unnecessary details. When your watch is easy to read, it becomes easier to wear. And instead of distracting from your look, it quietly elevates it. Mistake number eight, mismatching your watch with your outfit. A sport watch with a smart outfit, a dress watch at the the gym. Individually, nothing looks wrong, but together something feels off. That's because your style isn't aligned. After 50, coordination matters more than ever. Every piece should work together, not against each other. When your watch doesn't match your outfit, it creates a disconnect. And even if people can't explain it, they notice it. The fix is balance. Match your watch to the situation, leather strap to smarter outfits, metal bracelet to versatile, everyday rubber/sport to active only simple rule. Right watch, right context. When everything aligns, your outfit feels complete, and that's what makes you look sharp. Mistake number 9, holding on to outdated styles. A watch from 15 to 20 years ago, old design, old proportions, old details. It still works, so you keep wearing it. But style moves forward, even if slowly, and outdated designs have a certain look. Thicker bezels, busy dials, dated shapes. They don't feel timeless. They feel stuck in a different era. After 50, your goal isn't to follow trends, but you also don't want to look outdated. The fix is quiet upgrading. Move toward timeless, modern classics. Clean dial, balanced case, refined proportions. Not trendy, not flashy, just current and controlled. Because when your watch feels modern, your entire look feels sharper without trying harder. Gentlemen, after 50, style is in the details, and a watch is one of the most powerful details you have. Fix these mistakes, and suddenly, you look sharper, you look more put together. You look like a man who pays attention, because the right watch doesn't scream. It speaks quietly and carries weight.